Hello from Hero Arts. We've been locked down in social distancing for the last 2 months, and we're just now starting to reopen. As you can see from our facility, we're just cleaning up right now and just working to get everyone back into the office. We still have a lot to do to clean things up and get things organized, but starting next week, we're very excited to announce that we're going to bring in shifts of people and start working once again. It's going to be slow going at first, but we're really excited to be able to come back and start serving you. And let me just tell you that without you, we could not have been successful. We wouldn't have survived, to be honest. What amazing outpour from all of our customers to support us, to show infinite patience. It really warms my heart, because without you, Hero Arts would not be reopening once again. So I just want to thank all of you. Once again, show you appreciation for all the patience you've shown, and just know that we're starting to open again, and we're very excited to once again get back to normal and be able to ship you and support you and give you the customer service that you expect from Hero Arts. Thank you from all of us at Hero Arts. See you soon.